Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt sauce for biryani. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready. This simple recipe comes together quickly, offering a delightful, cooling contrast to your flavorful biryani. It's perfect for enhancing any meal, adding a creamy texture and a burst of fresh taste. Get ready to elevate your dining experience with this easy sauce, making your biryani truly unforgettable. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of plain, full-fat yogurt as your base. For a refreshing kick, finely chop and add 2 tablespoons of fresh mint leaves. Next, incorporate 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin powder for an earthy depth. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. These simple components create a harmonious blend. Now let's mix it all together. In a medium bowl, whisk the yogurt until it's perfectly smooth and creamy, removing any lumps. Then, gently fold in your chopped mint and any other herbs you prefer. Stir well to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper to achieve your desired flavor balance. For the best flavor, chill your yogurt sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve this refreshing sauce generously alongside your warm, aromatic biryani. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.